Hi little pupils, welcome to 5th standard online class. In the previous class, we have completed the lesson Rocks and Minerals. Today we are going to see the book exercises. So, all of you take page number 65 in your term book. So, the first one is A, objective type questions. First Roman letter, fill in the blanks with the correct words. So, first one, all rocks are made up of dash. The two answers are given in the brackets. We have to select one and write in the dash. Okay. So, first one, all rocks are made up of dash. The answer is minerals. Okay. So, write in the dash as minerals, M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. So, number two, the surface of the earth is called the dash, core or crust. The answer is crust. The surface of the earth is called the crust, C-R-U-S-T. So, third one, dash is very hard and is formed by the slow cooling of lava. Is it granite or limestone? So, the answer is granite, G-R-A-N-I-T-E. So, granite is very hard and is formed by the slow cooling of lava. Fourth one, dash rocks are always formed in layers. You have to choose, is it sedimentary or igneous? The answer is sedimentary, S-E-D-I-M-E-N-T-A-R-Y. Sedimentary rocks are always formed in layers. Fifth one, dash rocks are formed due to physical and chemical changes in existing rocks. Your answer is metamorphic, M-E-T-A-M-O-R-P-H-I-C. Metamorphic rocks are formed due to physical and chemical changes in existing rocks. Okay, I think you have written all the fill in the blanks in the dash. Shall we move to the second one? Yes. The second Roman letter is right, T for the true and F for the false statement. You simply write T or F. Okay. So, first one is pumice is the only rock that can float. So, your answer is true. So, just write T. Second one, shale is often used to make kitchen counters and bathroom tiles. Your answer is false. Write as F. Okay. Shale is often used to make kitchen counters and bathroom tiles. So, it is false. Number 3, gypsum and mica are metallic minerals. Here also the answer is false. So, write as F. So, third one, gypsum and mica are metallic minerals, it is false. Fourth one, bauxite is an ore that is rich in aluminium. So, it is true, write as T. Fourth one, bauxite is an ore that is rich in aluminium, true. Fifth one, coal and petroleum are forms of sedimentary rocks. So, the answer is true. So, write as T. So, fifth one, coal and petroleum are forms of sedimentary rocks. True. Okay. So, third Roman letter, choose the correct option. So, you just tick the correct option, whether it is A, B, C or D. Okay. So, first one, which of these is not a layer of the earth? A, core, B, gneiss, C, crust, D, mantle. Your answer is B, gneiss. Okay. So, just put a tick in B. Second one, so take the next page. Second one, which of these is an igneous rock that is smooth and glassy? Your answers are pumice, obsidian, granite, shale. So, your answer is B, obsidian. So, which of these is an igneous rock that is smooth and glassy? Answer B, obsidian. Third one, Which of these leads to formation of metamorphic rocks? Which of these leads to formation of metamorphic rocks? A. Physical changes. B. Chemical changes. C. Effects of heat and pressure on rocks. Or D. All of these. Your answer is D. All of these. Okay. So fourth one. Which of these minerals are used to make building materials? Which of these minerals are used to make building materials? A. Magnetite and bauxite. B. Limestone and quartzite. C. Gypsum and calcite. D. Marble and shale. Your correct answer is C. Gypsum and calcite. Okay. So next one, fifth. Which of these materials can be used to make a magnet? Which of these materials can be used to make a magnet? A. Nickel. B. Gypsum. C. Calcite. D. Mica. Correct answer A. Nickel. Next, sixth one. Which of these is commonly used for flooring? A. Shale. B. Marble. C. Conglomerate. D. Gneiss. So which of these is commonly used for flooring? Your correct answer B. Marble. Seventh one. Which of these can be used to make a magnet? A. Iron and coal. B. Iron and nickel. C. Cobalt and gold. D. All gemstones. So which of these can be used to make a magnet? Answer B. Iron and nickel. Eighth one. Which of these is not a gemstone? Which of these is not a gemstone? A. Ruby. B. Emerald. C. Topaz. D. Gold. So your correct answer D. Gold. Have you marked all this? Okay. So next one, fourth Roman letter, match the columns. Just write the numbers on column B. Okay. So first one gneiss, second one mica, third magnetite, 4 conglomerate, 5 obsidian. So for first gneiss, the correct answer is C. Metamorphic rock. So you just put number 1 near metamorphic rock. Okay. So gneiss is metamorphic rock. Right is number 1. Second one mica. So for mica, put number 2 near non-metallic mineral, that is E. Near E, put non-metallic mineral number 2. Third one magnetite. So write magnetite for metallic mineral as number 3. Metallic mineral number 3. So fourth one conglomerate. Write number 4 near sedimentary rock. B. Sedimentary rock. Write the number 4. Fifth one obsidian. So obsidian is igneous rock. Write number 5. So your number will be like this: 5, 4, 1, 3, 2. Okay, in column B. So next is B. Very short answer questions. So first Roman letter. Give 2 examples of the following. Give 2 examples of the following. You have to write 2 answers in the given 2 dash. Okay. So first one, minerals used as building materials. So what are the 2 minerals that are used as building materials? So number 1, it is gypsum. So in the first dash, write gypsum. Gypsum. And the second dash, write calcite. 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 So first one gypsum, second one calcite. Have you written? Okay. So number 2, ores. So give 2 examples of ores. So in the first dash, write iron. I-R-O-N. Iron. Next one, bauxite. B-A-U-X-I-T-E. Bauxite. So your answers iron, bauxite. Okay. Next, third one, precious metals. So you have to write gold in the first dash. G-O-L-D. Gold. In the second dash, silver. S-I-L-V-E-R. S-I-L-V-E-R. Silver. Gold, silver. Okay. So fourth one, gemstones. Gemstones. So in the first dash, write ruby. R-U-B-Y. Ruby. Next one, emerald. E-M-E-R-A-L-D. Emerald. Ruby, emerald. Okay. So fifth one, fossil fuels. So in the first dash, write coal. C-O-A-L. Coal. The second dash, P-E-T-R-O-L-E-U-M. Petroleum. Coal, petroleum. If you have any doubt in this spelling, you can go through the textbook. Okay. Go through the lesson once again. You can write the answers correctly. Okay. So in the next page, the Roman letter 2. Give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. Again, you have to write the answers in the given dash. So first one, molten rock found inside the earth. So what is the name of the molten rock found inside the earth? The answer is magma. So write M-A-G-M-A. Magma. So the molten rock found inside the earth is magma. So number 2, molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth. Answer, lava. L-A-V-A. Lava. So the molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth is called lava. Third one, rocks that are formed due to physical and chemical changes in older rocks. Rocks that are formed due to physical and chemical changes in older rocks. Answer, metamorphic. Answer, metamorphic. M-E-T-A-M-O-R-P-H-I-C. Metamorphic. Fourth one, substances that make up rocks. Substances that make up rocks. Your answer, minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. Minerals. Substances that make up rocks, minerals. Fifth one, a substance that can attract iron. A substance that can attract iron. Magnet. So answer, M-A-G-N-E-T. Magnet. Okay. So these are the 5 answers. I think so. This is the end of these book exercises. That's all for today's session. So children, please go through these answers and study. Okay. Bye. We'll see you in the next class.